everyone, and welcome to FM 89.1. Now, I had a word with my dad, and I asked him, I didn't tell him, I asked him if he's ready to get a beat down from St. George's Cricket Club against Somerset, because he's a Somerset fan. And he said he doesn't care. He's just happy to be alive. Now, guilt tripping, for real. Dad, I know I was wrong. And how many times do I have to think that when you say things like that? That's the saddest thing I ever heard. Anyway, have a nice cup match, and I'll see you at the show.